Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Fred, I'm here with Detail Guard. Today we're at the Gold Spa, which is in Oakville, Ontario. What we're featuring today is our privacy film installation. The client had just recently moved in and they're doing a little bit of a rebranding, and hence why it's really important for them to enhance and beautify this location. And also primarily the main reason to have this film installed is to enhance the privacy. I myself can't speak to getting many manicures done, I'll be honest. However, I can imagine when you're coming in and getting some work done, just like anything, privacy is an important factor. So now that we're all wrapped up, as you can see, this beautiful white frost has been put on, giving maximum privacy while still allowing for ample natural light to come in. This particular film features 99% UV rejection, about 70% of natural light to still be emitted, which is otherwise known as the VLT, visible light transfer. And most importantly, privacy, day and night, right? Unlike the one-way privacy films, which work great in the day, this one gives you that privacy both day and night. Thank you guys all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a call at 905-330-3003, or go ahead and send us an email at info@detailguard.ca. Thank you guys, take care.